Welcome to Subaru Parts Exchange. We ship genuine OEM Subaru parts right to your door. This is the 2017 through 2026 Subaru Impreza side sill plate kit, a set of 4 protective panels that shield your Impreza's side sills from road debris, scratches, and damage. This kit fits all 2017 to 2026 Subaru Impreza models, including the popular Sport, Limited, and Premium trims. Your Impreza's side sills take constant road abuse. This genuine Subaru kit shields them with factory metallic finish. You get real protection and OEM quality polish that outlasts cheap alternatives. Genuine fitment means perfect mount, years of durability, and protected resale value. Shop our full catalog at Subaru Parts Exchange. All genuine OEM parts backed by warranty, our fitment guarantee, and fast shipping to get you back on the road. Not sure if this part fits your Impreza? Give us a call with your VIN ready and we'll confirm you've got the right part. Your VIN is on your dashboard, door jamb, or registration card. That's 17 digits that tell us exactly what your vehicle needs. Shop with Subaru Parts Exchange for genuine parts every single time. Don't settle for aftermarket.